Okay, so the last tutorial we did on how to improvise, how to solo, I did the part 1 for beginners. Okay, so let's do the part 2 for intermediate. If you have started, we'll do it on the key of C. I did the last one on the key of C sharp. I'll do this on C. Okay, so I mentioned you can solo with chromatic, a mode, blues scale, harmonic minor, and your chords. So we did chord last week. We did a bit of mode. So here in this video with this song, I will do mode, a bit of chromatic, of course chromatic will surely be part, a touch of blues. Okay, so on my one, you can play mode on the second degree, which is Dorian mode. You just create a pattern. Okay. Now here on my 5, this is the 5th chord. So I played a mode on C sharp. I turned C sharp to local mode, which is D, which is it will be T do re mi fa sol la ti. Local mode is the 7th degree, which is T. T do re. So we turn this to T. T do re mi fa sol la ti. Now I now play it as major 7th. I play D as my 7th. I say this email. Now a blues here. A blues on the second degree, which is on D. We are on D, right? D minor. Now go to the now here I wanted to turn this to local mode also. So I will tell you the secret behind this. So don't just choose any mode. I will tell you the secret behind it now. So email. Sorry. Okay, so here the mode you should choose. This is my 5th chord here. I turn this to a dominant. So it's a dominant, adding a 5th. Okay, so go to the 3rd note, which is this. Turn it to a tritone. So as we are playing the tritone chord here. Now the 3rd note, this is how to choose your mode. Now go to 2 semitones higher, which is a tone. So from here, and turn the note to a mode, any mode of your choice. But I choose Locrian. Locrian is best for improvisation. So Locrian, you see? Improvise with this. Now on my 2nd, I use D blues scale. Yeah, the blues scale on D. That is do. Okay. Now on my 4th, this also, like what I said, now the 3rd note of the 4th degree of F, the 3rd note again, now 2 semitones lower, and so which is a tone lower. So you can go a tone higher, a tone lower, then turn it to a mode. Now about the improvisation, the little you can do. So create patterns on your own. Don't follow my own pattern. You can pull phrases out, but create your own pattern. That's what makes you different, like I said. All right, so hope that helps. Thank you.